I sure do like this refrigerator, Grandma. You can fit more food in here. See?
Is that all you can think about? Is how much more food will fit into the refrigerator?
Well, I was just thinking that you could fit more leftovers in the fridge.
It won't even last that long in the refrigerator because you'll have the leftovers gone before they even get cold.
Very funny. Ha ha.
By the way, Norman, when you gonna get rid of this old refrigerator here so I can get my kitchen in order?
Well, it's like this, Grandma. When I can get some help, maybe I can go ahead and get the old one out. You know, it's too heavy for me by myself.
Maybe if you ask your friend Dr. Z, he can come over and help you.
You just want me to ask Dr. Z because you have a crush on him.
Do not! Although he is really cute for a man of his age.
Well, he's probably not as old as you, but of course, no one could be as old as you.
You better watch it, moron, or you're gonna have this refrigerator upside your head.
If you could lift this refrigerator to put it upside my head, why don't you do it yourself? Because I need help. I'm not that strong.
Just call Dr. Z, moron.
Hello?
Dr. Z? Yeah, Norman here.
Oh, hi, Norman.
I was wondering, could you come over and help me move an old refrigerator out? Grandma wants it out of the kitchen.
Yeah, I can give you a hand with that. Sure, no problem. I move refrigerators around all the time. I don't have a cart or anything, but I can give you a hand.
You'll be over?
Sure, I'll be right over.
Thank you.
I'll see you then.
Well, Dr. Z, I guess we can move this old one out to the curb. I'll get in the back, Dr. Z. You can pull from the front, okay?
All right. All right, let's go, Norman. I should do it for now until I can get around to fixing it. I gotta replace the compressor. Maybe I'll make a video when I do it. Well, yeah, I'll definitely make a video when I do that.